So the Prime Day sale on Amazon is back with some of the biggest discounts on dash cams. I mean, the kind of discounts I'm seeing on dash cameras, I think I'm going to fall down because I have really not seen such huge price drops on those specific dash cams ever till date. And if I was a dash cam buyer right now, I would make use of this super cool opportunity to save myself a lot of money and get myself a super cool, a super awesome dash camera. So I'll be going through a quick list of dash cams which get the biggest discounts. Mostly they come under the price bracket of 5 to 10,000 rupees. They carry the biggest discounts, and of course I'll be updating the description of this video as and when I get new info on some of the newest discounts. So keep checking the description of this video to find your favorite dash cam and the discount associated with it, so that you can go ahead and buy it. So the first dashcam which I was really happy to see getting a huge price drop is the DDPAI N1 Dual, the cheapest dual channel dashcam that you can get in the market right now. So the manufacturer has discounted it from 6,999 to 6,499, and on top of it you get SBI credit card discount, bringing the price down to 5,849. That's 5,800 rupees for a dual channel dashcam by DDPAI. That's terrific, and this is the cheapest you can ever get a dual channel dashcam for. Following this, the new model from DDPAI, the DDPAI N5 Dual, which usually trended at a price of 13,999, is now down to 13,299. And on top of it, if you add the SBI credit card discount, you get it at an effective price of 12,000 rupees. That's too damn good, because this is close to 1,500 to 2,000 rupee discount on a premium 4K camera. So the DDPAI N5 Dual at 12K is a real steal deal. Following this, the most value for money budget dual channel dashcam under the 10,000 price bracket was the Nexdigitron Prime, and usually came at a price of 8,999 rupees. Now with the manufacturer discount, it comes close to about 8,200 to 8,300, and on top of it, if you add the SBI credit card discount, the Nexdigitron Prime is now coming at a price of 7,500 rupees. That's very damn cheap, I must say, and that's a whole 1,500 rupee discount on a premium dual channel dashcam, which gets the Starvis IMX335 sensor and a GPS to go along with it. The next dashcam has been the old workhorse of 70mm, the 70mm A400, and it came at a price of 8,999 rupees. With a unique design, this carried its own fan base. Now with the manufacturer discount, it comes down to a price of 8,499, but with additional SBI credit card discount, this comes down to a price of about 7,600 rupees. And if you're a fan of 70mm A400, you won't find a better time to buy this camera. Following this, one of the most recently launched dashcam, the 70mm A200, which came with 1080p HDR resolution with a dual channel option, usually came at a price of 7,999, but with manufacturer discount it comes down to 7,599, and on top of it you get the SBI credit card discount, bringing the effective price to 6,800 rupees only for the dual channel variant of the 70mm A200. This is too a very good price to pay for a premium HDR enabled 70mm A200 dash camera. Moving on to one of the most popular dash cams from 70mm, the 70mm A500. Now this was the most reliable dash cam from 70mm, and after the 70mm A510 debuted a few months back, the 70mm A500 received a price drop. Although the 70mm A500 misses out on the Starvis 2 sensor, this is still a strong contender and a powerful performer in its budget segment. Now the 70mm A500 front only version came at a price of about 8,500. Now it's down to 8,000 rupees, and with manufacturer discount, this comes close to 7,300 rupees for the front only variant. The dual channel variant, on the other hand, was trending at a price of 9,999, but now with the manufacturer discount it's close to 9,500, and on top of it, if you add the SBI credit card discount, you get the 70mm A500 dual channel for a price of 8,500 rupees. Imagine a camera which usually trended at a price of 11 to 12,000 rupees only a few months ago, now down to 8,000 rupees. That's the biggest discount, and this is the biggest deal you're ever going to grab on this Prime Day sale. So if you want to save yourself a lot of money and get yourself a super powerful, a super capable dashcam from 70mm, the A500 dual channel at a price of 8,000 to 8,500 rupees will be the perfect choice for you. Similarly, the newly launched 70mm A510 front only version is now available at a price of 8,500, and the dual channel version, which usually came at a price of nearly 13,000 rupees, is now available at a price of 11,500 to 11,600 rupees. Now I would really recommend going with the A510 because this is the updated version, having many advantages over the A500. Not only does the A510 get the Starvis 2 sensor, it has a Type-C port, it also has a picture-in-picture display mode, and also gets the rear camera view on the screen. So a StarVis 2 powered dual channel dashcam coming close to 11,500 rupees is a dream deal, and if I was a dashcam buyer I would definitely go with the A510 for the price of 11,500. Do not miss this amazing opportunity because the prices will be up back soon and you're going to miss the opportunity if you don't buy it right now. So following this, the king of 4K dashcams, the 70mm A810, the 4K powered dashcam with the StarVis 2 sensor, which came at price of 19,999, that's basically 20,000. Now with the SBI credit card discount comes down to a price of 17,500 or 17,700 rupees. That's a big discount for a 4K StarVis 2 dashcam, and if you're someone who wants the best video quality, that's the 4K resolution and the power of StarVis 2 backing it up, the A810 is the choice for you. And at 17,700, this is a drop dead gorgeous deal. You should not miss this deal ever because this is not going to last for a long time, maybe for a day or two. Go ahead, grab the A810 for 17K and you'll not be disappointed. Following this, if you are looking for a budget mirror camera with reverse guidelines and if you want specifically a rear view camera to guide you while taking reverse, the Mola E3 from DDPAI should be the one on top of your priority. The DDPAI Mola E3 normally came at a price of 9,999 rupees, but in this sale with the credit card discount, it comes down to a price of close to 8,500 rupees. That's a 1,500 rupee discount, and that's a big discount on a mirror dash camera. Following this, another mirror dash cam which gets the StarVis 2 sensor and a super capacitor is the 70mm S500. This camera is now available at a price of 15,700 rupees, what usually trended close to a price of 18,000. So if you want the goodness of having a 70mm dashcam with a StarVis 2 sensor which provides 1944p resolution with a reverse view camera and reverse guidelines at a price of 15,700, the S500 is a very good option for those people who are looking to have a premium experience and also get themselves a mirror dashcam. Following this, the most value for money triple channel dashcam, the newly launched Redtiger F17, is effectively now available at a price of close to 14,700 if you add all the discounts and the coupons and the cashback. Now usually comes at a price of 16 to 17,000, but with the price drop up to 14,500, an excellent choice for those who want a triple channel coverage under the price bracket of 15,000. This offer is not going to last for a long time, so you should grab this deal as and when you get it and do not waste time pondering over which triple channel dashcam to buy. Finally, giving you a very premium dashcam at a very good discount, the Vantrue N4 Pro triple channel dashcam. Now this is a triple channel setup with a StarVis 2 sensor and a 4K camera at the front, generally trended at a price of 31 to 32,000 rupees. Now with the coupons and the cashbacks comes down to a price of about 28,500 from 31,000. A premium price, but nevertheless a premium experience. So those who are looking to have a complete coverage and the best possible video quality with the best possible sensor, the Vantrue N4 Pro should be your definite choice at a price of close to 28,000 rupees. Go hit that purchase button right now and grab yourself this discount because you're not going to get this again anytime soon. So all the dashcams which I've mentioned in this video are those which have got the biggest discounts. Of course, there are many other which I may have missed out. I'll be giving the details of those dashcams in the description of this video because if I start telling out each and every dashcam, this video will go on forever. So these are the best dashcams with the biggest discounts on the Prime Day sale which you should not definitely miss, and those which I might have missed out. And if you are looking for an alternative option, check down on the description and you will find all the list of all the dashcams with the biggest discounts on the Prime Day sale. Of course, you can also get the details of the dashcam accessories too, and I'll be putting up the links for the review videos of many of these dashcams which I've already reviewed on my channel. So if you want to take a deeper look at the dashcam before you actually make that purchase decision, you can take a look at the review videos. The links to those are given in the description as well. So I hope this video has helped you in saving some money and getting yourself a super cool dashcam, and in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload such super awesome videos. Also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. I'll be putting up regular updates on discounted dashcams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.